Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mo, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Ryobi thickness planer. Now I am not sponsored, so this is just my honest review. Alright, let's get started. Manual. I think this is the lever that turns up or down the planing section. Okay, I read online that I should make sure that this plate is level with this surface. There's a way to adjust it up and down to make sure that the feed table is level. I mean, I should probably start to read the manual right about now, but I'm assuming that this goes in here and it lifts this mechanism up and down. I'm just gonna glance over the manual before I turn it on because I want to make sure that, you know, I've installed everything. Pretty much there was nothing to install except for this handle here that actually just comes off. Oh, nice. So if you take this stop section off, there's a little screw here that you can actually screw this in place so you're not able to take it off by accident. So I should probably do that now. This is for when you service the blade. They do not want you to handle the blade with your own hands. You can actually just like stick them on the blade and pick the blade up that way. And finally, this is for dust collection. Looks like there are some two holes here for screws. They're here. I really appreciate this handle here actually. So I was wondering how I was going to pick this up and put it away. This handle is actually really handy. I have to say, this is really heavy. I'm assuming you can either install it this way or that way depending on where your dust collection is. And it looks like it's the same size Allen key. And whoa, look at that. There is actually an Allen key in here. So I didn't have to bust out my tools. They actually provide you with one, which is fantastic. It really comes mostly assembled, minus this handle here. So it's pretty much plug and play. So let's go over operation. This wheel up here, you raise it and lower it. It looks like you have a maximum of 6 inches. It's also 12.5 inches wide. Although they don't recommend for you to go the full width. So I guess 12 inches is the max you really should go. Nice. I have a small 2x4. I want to flatten it down. Okay, so you know how 2x4s have this annoying rounded edge? I want to plane it down to make it have a sharper edge. So because this machine is so loud, I was not able to hear my vacuum go off. So I was using the Ryobi vacuum, the battery powered one, along with this, and the battery ran out. And so the thing died, and I wasn't able to hear it. That's the reason for all the sawdust. I was confused why I was doing so well in the beginning and then it just did all this at the end. Turns out that the battery was dead. So aside from the dead battery, I think the dust collection system is working pretty fair, to be honest with you. So all this dust is due to the user error, which is me. Overall, I think this is a great machine for the price. Again, I can't compare this to other brands because I've never used a planer in my life, but it's so easy and self-explanatory. Like literally, you just put the boards in and it works. Now, you must understand, if your board does not have one straight side, it will not work. So, for example, if I have a curve here, as I put this down to fix the other side, it will also go in at a curve. So it's whatever it is down here, it will transfer up here. So in order for this to be flattened or planed, this needs to be flat. And you can do that on a table saw, you can use a jig. Same goes for these surfaces. So yeah, that's all for today. And now that the video's over, I just want to let you guys know, if you have been here since the beginning, I just want to say thank you. You've seen this channel go through a lot of changes. First it was Mo and So, and then I got into a little photography videos, and then I did some computer stuff. But to be honest with you, since I moved to Washington, I have not had time for any hobbies. It's been all kids and work and fixing up the house. And unfortunately, I work on so many projects here on the house. I built a new kitchen, I updated all the floors, ran wires in the walls, ran new lights, because you know, here in Washington, for some reason, you buy houses and there's literally no lights in the living rooms or the bedrooms. I'm not sure why that is. But I did all of that, and I was not able to record any of it, unfortunately. However, now that all of the big projects are over, which are really difficult to record while you have glue on your hands and drywall, and you're under the crawl space trying to work on plumbing, it's not easy. And I have now a great appreciation for all those people who are on YouTube trying to teach us how to do these things while they're actually working. That's pretty amazing, to be honest with you. So thank you. But now that I'm done with all the big projects, I have a couple of smaller projects in mind. Like I need to build a dining room table, I need to build a coffee table and 2 side tables, a bed, a desk. So all these things need to happen, and luckily they're all going to happen here in this garage. So it's not so difficult for me to just set my camera up over there while I do these things. So I just realized I was looking at the wrong camera this entire time. But you know what? It is what it is, you know? So yeah, if you'd like to stick around or subscribe, that would be great. That would really help me out. And thank you for my 7,000 subscribers. I really, truly appreciate you being here so long, and for sticking with me. And that's it for today. I'm Mo, and I'm signing out. Peace.